India is reeling under extensive heat wave with temperatures crossing the 40 degrees Celsius mark. As a result of the unbearable high temperature, many state governments are adjusting school timings or preponing summer vacations. In light of the current heat wave, the West Bengal government announced that the summer vacation for state-run and aided schools will begin on April 22nd until further notice. Moreover, to escape the heat wave, the Maharashtra government too has announced an early summer vacation that would be for primary, middle and higher secondary schools affiliated with the state board. Now, schools across the state will reopen on June 15th, except for Vidarbha, where schools will resume classes on June 30th.
The temperatures are running really high this time, and it's just the middle of April, and what the IMD department is saying that at least for the next 7 days or at least for the month of April, it is expected that this heat wave conditions will prevail in West Bengal. The temperatures, if you look at it, approximately around 40 degrees Celsius and is expected to go as high as 45 degrees in several districts in West Bengal, especially under the radar is Bardhaman district and Purulia district, where the temperatures yesterday also were recorded as 45 degrees and today also is expected to go somewhere near there. So, temperatures running really high. At the same time, the state government has issued advisory, have asked people to remain indoors in the wee hours of the day, that is, between 12 and 3, to not come out, to not step out during this time if it is not in an absolute emergency, although also to remain hydrated. At the same time, the government schools have been asked to prepone their summer vacation.
All right, from West Bengal, let's shift our focus to the national capital because it seems like there's a little respite for Delhi. The IMD has predicted that the national capital will be witnessing rainfall today. But they further reiterated that even though it will rain, the temperature will be around 38 degrees Celsius and it might increase to 40 to 44 degrees in the upcoming days. My colleague Tejashree reports.
As far as heat wave is concerned, yes, it is going to majorly affect the states like Odisha, West Bengal and Bihar, and Indian Meteorological Department has said that the heat wave will be there in the states of Odisha, Bihar and West Bengal and Jharkhand as well till 24th of April. And in fact, in the state of Odisha, orange alert has already been issued. Particularly if we talk about national capital, then yes, people of national capital will be witnessing slight relief because IMD predicts that there is a possibility of rainfall today, but no matter what, after next 10 days, the situation will also be very much similar in the national capital as well.